Welcome to the channel, guys. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel out. Leave a comment if you want to see something in the future, some recommendations. We're going to be working with a 2014 Caprice. It's on the same platform as the Chevy SS, so that's going to allow us to integrate both interiors. So through the next couple of videos, we're going to be swapping out the dash, the seats, the center console, rear seats, front door panels, and a few other things here and there. Today, we're going to be working with the rear seats. If you can just source a rear seat, it's pretty simple. Pop the old one out and bolt the new one back in. It's really just a bolt-in upgrade. We're going to start off by removing the rear seats. The rear seats, the bottom one is just held in by body clips, so it pops out. Get it out of the way. The rear back part of the seat is bolted in on each corner. So we're going to start off by getting the bottom one out, get it out of the way, see what it looks like under there, and start removing the bolts. It's going to have a body clip here, and same on the other side. So you just get about right where it's at. You pull up and it feels like it's going to break. You just pop it right up. The other side came with it. Make sure your buckles stay with the car. We'll go ahead and get this out of here. For these rear seats, you're gonna have 4 bolts, 2 here, 2 on the other side. They're a 13 millimeter. You're gonna need a deep well. So I'm gonna go ahead and start removing those. So the Caprice, it has an all one piece. The SS sedan is a 3-piece. You're gonna have your driver's side, your middle, and then your passenger side. There you go. The rear seats have little hooks on the top of them that go in these locations right here on both sides. So we're gonna do a little cleaning, get this all cleaned up before we throw that new SS seat in here and start bolting those in. The SS actually has a centerpiece with an armrest in it. It's gonna have to go in first because the other 2 lay over top of it to kind of hide the seams. It's got these 2 brackets down here. The studs for this are already in the car on each side. So this will lay up against here on both studs, just like that. 2 nuts on the stud. After you get that installed, tighten down. I'd make sure it's pretty straight. You can go ahead and install both sides. We're gonna go ahead and do the passenger side. It's got these little hooks that are gonna anchor into the back side, and then your studs go right on there. This one's gonna be the same way. You got the anchors in the back. You just want to make sure your seat belts are out of the way. So the rear seat, it's gonna be the same as the Caprice. It's got these anchors in the back. We'll slide it in, and then these body clips down here that'll lock into these little white clips. Just make sure you feed your seat belts through. You'll hear a little pop. That's all there is to it. That's all there is to installing these rear seats. It really is a nice upgrade. You got real leather, red stitching, and a little bit of Alcantara in your rear seat. Another bonus is you have an armrest and also some cup holders. Access to the trunk. I do have to get a little bracket piece that goes right here that locks this center piece in. Other than that, it's a really nice upgrade for these rear seats. Hit the subscribe button because in the next couple videos, we're gonna be doing the SS dash, the center console, the front seats, and the front door panels. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.